Hey everyone, February 2026 is here, and for millions of Americans, this week could be means money hitting their bank account. But here the twist: not everyone who get paid at the same time, and missing one small detail could be leave you wondering where your payment is. So let's break down actually who get paid and when it's arriving, and why some people are seeing checks hike $5,181 per month. Right now, more than 17 million Americans depend on Social Security SSDI and survival benefits every single month. Because of the sheer size of the program, the Social Security Administration does not send all payment at once. Instead, February payment are rolling out in stages, and Tuesday, February 3 is one of the most important dates of the month. If you receiving both Social Security and SSI, if you started following correcting benefits before May 1997. Your payment is scheduled from February 3, and there another detail many people missed SSI payment from February were actually set and end of January because February 1 fell on a weekend. For everyone else, your February payment depend on your birthday. If your birthday fall between the 1st and 10th, your payment arrive on Wednesday, February 11th. Born between the 11th and 20th, watch for Wednesday, February 18th. And if your birthday is between the 21 and 31, your payment is scheduled from Wednesday, February 25. Already looking ahead, March SSI payment are coming early, landing on Friday, February 2027. Now let's talk number because there is where crucial really spike. Social Security benefits vary widely depending on lifetime earning and when you choose to claim. Someone who earned the maximum taxable income every year could be receive around $2,969 per month at age 62. Wait until full retirement age jump $4,152, but hold until age 70 and your payment can save $5,181 per month. Most retirement don't receive anywhere near their amount as of December 2025. The average monthly Social Security benefit was just over $2,071. So if your payment does not arrive at, don't panic. SSA recommends waiting 3 business days for bank delay before calling. Thank for watching this video.